Hi, this is Smart Dev Coder. In this video, I am going to show you a Chrome extension which allows you to fill the attendance of your students in Jnanabhumi portal version 2. Let's see how this is gonna work. So open Jnanabhumi version 2 and just log in with your junior assistant ID. Then select the college and select submit. Then select student monthly attendance. Then select year and month. Then submit and select the number of students. Okay, now here our problem is here we have to enter manually all these things. So instead, I have developed an extension which allows you to fill the attendance just by a click of a button. Now I am pressing fill attendance here, and you can see it is showing that filled student values total. Then press OK. Now you can see it has filled the attendance for all the students, and it is programmed in such a way that it will randomly minus just 1 or 2 of the total working days, and it will enter. Next, what you have to do, you have to select like this and click on submit. So now we will go back again, monthly attendance, submit. So you can see now attendance submitted is done. Okay, so this is how this Chrome extension will work for the filling of attendance number of days of the students. If you want this Chrome extension, please contact to the email in the description so that I can provide you the extension. This is a paid extension with the yearly subscription. We can negotiate in the email. Thank you for watching. This is Smart Dev Coder signing off.